In this video, we are going to take a look at collaborations in Canvas. You can collaborate using Google Docs or Microsoft 365. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure that the collaborations element is active in your class. If you have removed it at some point and hidden it from student view, you'll want to go back to settings and navigation and drag it back up into the active elements in the course. When you click on collaborations, you're going to see that there's a couple options. One thing to note here is that Firefox and Chrome display these differently. I would definitely recommend one or the other, Firefox or Chrome. Not using Safari or Edge would probably be helpful. So in this case, it's defaulting right to my Google Drive. And you can see here that I can give a document a title and a description. And I can choose whether I want it to be a Google Doc or a Google Slide or Sheet or Form. And I can select the collaborators. In this class, I just have a test student, but if you were going to add multiple students to a single document, you could, or just one at a time. One of the beauties of this is that in earlier days, Blackboard had a feature that was a journal, and when Canvas came out, it didn't have a way to have students do journal work, like logging daily activities. When this Google Docs, of course, lets you create that sort of space, and here it lets you create the document, and then essentially it gets shared with whoever you invite as the collaborator. So you can give it a name. I'm just going to go with the doc and keep this short. I'm going to add my test student here, and I'm going to click create. First thing that's going to it's going to ask you to do is to make sure that you're in the correct drive. You can see that I'm in my UW drive, and now it's going to create that document both in my account and in my test student account, or whoever you share this with. Obviously, when you click on this, it will open your Google Drive and you'll be able to see that document. This is a great way to collaborate in Canvas in small groups or individually. Again, the idea behind this is that these items are in your drive, so you have access to the version history. You can see who does what. And that's super helpful. So back in collaborations here, if you click and start a new collaboration, you'll also see that you can do this with Office 365. It works exactly the same way. You'll need to authenticate into that space. You can see here that there are different options, Excel and PowerPoint, just as before. In this case, you can't have your test student added. There really is no test student email address to associate with it. But you will be able to see this in your Office 365 space. That is a very short look at the Google Docs collaborations and Office 365 collaborations.